Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me today. I am going to be doing the prompt number 2, which is the stars and paint sample. And as you can see, as of right now, I have a whole bunch of paint samples that I've collected. And I have some holographic little pieces of star that I could use, and I also have a whole bunch of different glitter paints and stuff. Now, as you could tell, I haven't been feeling all that well. Plus I work a full-time job, so it's kind of hard for me to kind of keep up with doing stuff daily. So I am in the process of working on a couple of pieces this evening, and I'm gonna try to make them go as quick as possible so that you guys don't have to, be here, because I know if you're like me, you've been watching a lot of people. So what I did was I took a couple of paint samples and I actually glued them on. And so I took some blue, I took the red, and I took a green. And then the other thing that I did was I had these tree shapes that were cut out for me from a friend of mine from I think last year. And what I did was I just took the glitter paints that I have. They're not really paints, it's just glitter. And I took the green and I took the red and I had painted that on. So that is all now dry. So I'm gonna use 2 of the trees. Then this was a deer that I had gotten, that was part of my stash. And I just backed him onto this glitter paper that I just recently purchased the other day from Michael's. Had their packs and stuff on sale, so you get all these awesome colors and they're all metallic. So I got pastel metallics, I got Christmas color metallics. So I decided to back our deer onto the green metallic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the star part first. I also do have some washi tape that I did want to actually add on here. So we're gonna do that part first. Now I chose this white glittery one only because I felt like it looked like snow. So I have that down on the bottom. Then I have this one, but I'm not sure where I really want to put this, because I'm thinking I want to put some lace and stuff on here too, because the trees are going to go down on the bottom. And then I took out a couple of different laces here. Do that way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. Oops, I cut a little part of my tree. Oh well. Now I'm gonna take our glitter glue, we're gonna put that down. Okay. I had these two. I just don't know if I want to put these on there or not. Yeah, what the hell. Alright, great. Okay, so we're going to layer that down. Now we're going to do the stars next. So I think I might just use this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, since it's blue, I'm going to use this blue glitter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of paper down here. I'm going to glitter up just going to dump out a couple of them here. I don't want too many. I'm going to use the back end. Where's my wet wipe? Oops, sorry guys. I've had my paintbrushes for so long that the paint is starting to peel off of them. All I'm doing is I'm taking the holographic stars and I'm adding them into the already glittered up blue. I just want a couple more. Okay, all right, so we have our stars. Now, I had wanted to put this there. Now, I'm thinking I want to put something here. I think we're going to do that. to do that on the other side as well. Just don't want as much. It's definitely better. I just feel like there needs to be something here. That's definitely better. All right, let's get this guy down. So I wanted to give you a quick look at it because I ended up having issues with the camera, the video at the very end. So this is the actual finished piece. So as you can see, here is the blue with all the silver stars. And then this was a piece of washi tape, but they're stamps. And again, here's another washi stamp. And then you have the trees. And then you have the little bit of the white sparkly washi tape down on the bottom. So I just wanted to make sure you guys were able to actually see the whole entire piece. And then again, this was a button that I added on at the very end to act as the moon. And then my couple little pieces of lace. All right, so thank you all for joining me, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.